So guys, in this video we are gonna review the Logitech G302. So this is actually a gaming mouse and I love it because I had a crappy mouse which is 700 rupees. Like, it is not 700 rupees. The combo was 700 rupees. The keyboard and mouse was like combo, and it was 700 rupees. I bought it and I said it is value for money because it's giving you RGB and all. Normal keyboard was that, but it was not enough. But because I said, like, if you are serious in gaming, you should buy a mouse which is made for gaming. The precision rate, the accuracy was good in that, as I said. So we are gonna review it. So you're watching Tech Unicorn channel. I'm Prakash. So let's begin the video.
Subscribe to Tech Unicorn channel and then click the bell icon to get notified when I put a new video.
So as I said, in this video we are gonna review the Logitech G302. So it is great. See, the mouse was very great, but the thing is, the multitasking button, which is configurable button, which you can configure for any button, that is not clicking as well as the first day. Like, I used it for 3 days only, but it is like normally clicking now. It's not making noise. The click fire, like, I love the clicks, so but it is not making it. So that's the problem. But the normal thing is, you can get the normal buttons is normal. It is not getting ruined off, and you can see the DPI button. That is fabulous. That is not like making any problem for me. The DPI button and the scroll wheel is fabulous. And the thing is, that grip, I thought it was be probleming for me. Like, my hand is big and the mouse is small and it is having a sharp edge, so I thought like it was problem for me. But the thing is, it was not a problem for me. I hold it for 3 long days. I have played a lot of games, but it is not a problem for me, and it is fabulous. I will give it a B grading because the mouse clicks, the sound is not there, so I will give a B grading. If it wasn't there, I will give a grading. There is a link in the description. You can go and buy the thing because like it is good mouse. So if you are planning to buy a gaming mouse, consider this mouse. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, give it a fat thumbs up, and if you share it, I will love it. And if you want to connect this journey, you can click the round subscribe button and subscribe this channel and click the recommended videos to watch more of the content. Tada, peace.